Hello everybody, this is Terry B, and today I have a pink sparkly, this is a Lockwood. I don't know anything about Lockwood, so it's just a Lockwood, and it is, this is a wafer lock, and this is the key for that one, so I'll just open that up. Yeah, if anyone knows anything about Lockwoods, this is the only Lockwood I own or I've ever held, and I don't know anything about this, so yeah, let me know. So what we're going to do is I'll go picking this one. See, it shouldn't be, with it being away fast, it shouldn't be too difficult and all that. That way. So let's get the pick in there. Just go straight at the back. That will click. And that will click. Right there. First pin there, and the core is turned, so that is, yeah, that Lockwood open. Let's see if you know anything about Lockwoods and what kind of lock this is, other than a pink sparkly one. There is the bit on the key, let me know. But yeah, interesting little pick, interesting little lock. Yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.